done with Legree, I'm gonna go get a matcha. Had a really good class today. I feel like since I've been keeping up with my ballet and just trying to do little mat Pilates workouts whenever I'm home, it's definitely been helping. And I can feel myself getting stronger and healthier, which feels so good. I'm really proud of myself because I like barely took any breaks during that class. Want to get a matcha? Thinking about going to Starlight Coffee, which is close by because they have really yummy matcha drinks. But I'm gonna try to see if there's anything else in this area that is new that I haven't tried yet, because I'm kind of in the mood to find something new. The matcha place that I tried yesterday was so good, but I want to change it up a little bit. Okay, I just went to pick up my matcha. I actually ended up going to the same place that I went to yesterday because it was really good and I wanted to try a new drink. I got a double coconut matcha. Has coconut water and then this coconut cream top. It looks amazing. I'm gonna try it. I feel like I need to go to my car. This is gonna have to do. It is balancing on my steering wheel right now. This is the little gift bag that I got. I was their 80th customer today and I guess they're doing little giveaways, so I got a gift bag. It has a Touchland hand sanitizer in it, some super, and then I got a Smisky. I've never had a Smisky before. I'm very, very excited. And also it's funny because I just got done with my little workout class and I got an exercising one. Okay, which one do I want? They're all really cute. I do really love the hula hooping one. I do like the one that is sitting on the bouncy ball because I think that one's super cute and funny. And I also like the stretching one. Is this how you do it? Oh, that did not work. I definitely got a taller one because it's not popping off. I got the one on the ball. Wait, I really wanted this one. So cute. Wait, I'm so happy I got this one. I love it. I really love it. This made my day. Also, the girls in there were so nice. I feel like I gotta become a regular there because it's very close to where I live and the drinks are so good and the girls are super cute and so nice, and this drink is fire. Okay, I'm gonna go home now. I need to eat because I cannot drink all this matcha on an empty stomach or I'm gonna feel insane. Good morning. I don't even remember the last time I talked to you guys. It has been a busy week. Next weekend is the 4th, which is my birthday. I'm so excited. I'm going up to Tahoe to see all of my best friends and it's gonna be so fun. We're actually doing a road trip up there because flights were insanely expensive. It was like $200 for both ways. So it would have been an $800 trip total for both of us. And typically if you get tickets far enough in advance, you can get a round trip ticket for $150 or even $200 round trip. But $400 round trip was a little bit crazy for just a 1-hour flight. So we are doing a road trip. I haven't done a road trip up to NorCal in a few years, so it'll be fun. I do have work this morning. I have an appointment, but we are just working from home before then, which is amazing. Also, side note, this is my new favorite t-shirt. I actually ordered this at Coachella and I just got it the other day in the mail. It is amazing and this is my new favorite shirt. It also has the best fit. Please excuse the mess in the background. I'm probably gonna blur that because you guys don't need to see that. And I'm also folding laundry right now, but it just has the best boxy fit. I got a large and it's just perfect and super oversized and I love it. Like, this shirt makes me emotional. It just reminds me of the Never Say Never movie. If you know, you know. I also got sent some amazing PR this week and I really was not expecting this. Someone from Good Molecules reached out to me maybe a month ago, but I forgot that I was getting anything from them, and then I got this huge box of products from April Skin. I feel like this is literally one of everything in their collection. That's what it feels like, but this was very unexpected and I'm really excited to use some of these products. This is far too much for what I would normally use in my skincare, so I'm definitely giving some away to my family and my friends, but this was just really exciting. I'm also thinking that whatever leftover products that I have, I am thinking about doing a little giveaway. I feel like I kind of get a good amount of PR or just gifted things, and one, my apartment is not that big and I don't have that much storage space, so I feel like I don't know where to put it, and I obviously don't want anything to go to waste, so I'm thinking about doing that. I definitely want to do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, but before that, yeah, maybe I'll just do like a mini giveaway, who knows. Next week when I upload my new vlog, it'll be my birthday / Tahoe vlog. I will show you everything that I've been doing to prep for that weekend because I'm so excited. I had this idea of doing, first of all, my friends and I love a good theme. Any time it's someone's birthday, we always do a theme, even if it's not someone's birthday and we're just all together hanging out and spending the weekend together, we always do a theme night. We're very big on that, and I just love that we do that because it makes it so fun and everyone's just down to have a good time. For my birthday this year, I wanted to do just like a very whimsy, fun birthday theme, like whimsical Fancy Nancy, basically. Just lots of bright colors, streamers, little crafts. One thing that I am doing for all of my friends, I started a couple of weeks ago and I'm not even done. I finished crafting for all of the girls, but I still need to make the guys theirs. So these are the little crafts. I made little crowns for everyone. Vivian and I are doing a little joint birthday weekend because her birthday's on the 18th and mine is the 4th. But we can't all get together for her birthday because Vivian and I will actually be out of town. But I made ours just a little bit extra special for the birthday girls. So I did our initial and then some little felt candles. I think these turned out so cute. Oh my gosh. And then I made crowns for all of the other girls, of course. I kind of wish that I did everyone's initials on the crowns too, because I feel like ours are so done up and I don't want it to be like so different. I just made these like kind of more basic crowns. I still think they're super cute, but I am gonna bring extra sequins and ribbons and felt so that they can kind of customize it however they want once we get there. I was even thinking, because I have so much extra materials from this, I'm like, should I just start a little side hustle, like a Etsy, and sell these? And I can just like customize them for people because I feel like that'd be super cute. Or even if I do a giveaway in the future, I can make one for the giveaway winner just to make it a little more personal. I'm so excited. And then I need to make the crowns for the boys next. My other project that I'm doing for everyone, my friends and I love Love Island UK. This is such a chatty segment, but we've been watching Love Island UK since we were in high school. I figured it's like peak Love Island right now. We're all watching it. And so I got white water bottles and I'm gonna customize them so that has our names on it, like the Love Island water bottles. I do not have a Cricut or anything to make them. We have a friend actually that is going to make the stickers for us. I'm very grateful that he's doing that for me. And I'm just really excited to put them all together and I think they're gonna look so good. But I'll definitely show you guys the updated water bottles once I do all of that. I think he's going to print them out today actually, so I should be getting them by this weekend, hopefully. Anyways, breakfast. This doesn't look the most appetizing, but we got some peanut butter date butter from Sprouts. It is so good. If you have a Sprouts near you and you love dates, you like peanut butter, you should try it because it is very good. I'm having that for my breakfast, and then I finally stocked up on my matcha. I haven't had it in actual months. I also have this idea for Tahoe to do like a matcha station, just so we don't have to go out and buy coffee and matcha every morning. So I'm gonna bring my matcha powder. I'm thinking of making some like house-made syrups. I want to make an Earl Grey syrup so we can have like London Fog matchas. And then maybe I'll do a strawberry syrup. We'll see what I can come up with. I finally have my matcha, so I'm gonna make that. I should be getting home a little bit early today, thankfully. This week has been insane. Next week, since it's the 4th, I am working from home for the first half of the week, and then the second half of the week I have off, which is great. And we're leaving towards the end of the week for our road trip. But that is why this week has been so insane, and I've just been in the office the whole time. But I should be getting home early today, and then I have my ballet, which I'm very excited for. I just went to my mailroom to pick up some packages. Yesterday was Anusha's birthday, but today she's having her birthday party. Her gift came. It is Anusha's golden birthday. She's turning 25. Her birthday was on the 25th. So I figured it would be cute to kind of get her something on theme. I got her these super cute gold Havaianas. Her birthday party theme is party animals. I did get a top from Bondi. I realized that I don't have anything animal print really, and the things that I do have are like sweaters or jackets, and since it is 80 degrees out in summertime, I figured that I should just get a top for this occasion. So I'm thinking about just pairing it with black jeans and then my black booties or flats. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna try this on later. Last package, ordered off of Amazon, and I specifically bought this for my birthday. I had an idea of doing a matcha / latte drink station. I got some plastic cups, came with a lid, and then some colorful straws. Yay! Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm not a huge advocate of plastic disposable cups, especially, but maybe I should have gotten paper cups, but to be honest, I really don't like the way that they taste. Okay, like you cannot even tell me that doesn't look amazing. This is the current setup. I'm wrapping Anusha's gift. I just wrote her a little letter, and now it's time to decorate the box. Put the Havaianas in here, and then I also threw in some skincare products. Absolutely love writing birthday cards and wrapping presents, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun here. Thinking of just leaving this as is and not putting any wrapping paper on it, but I'm going to do some doodles and put some of these like gem stickers on there and tie it off with a little ribbon. Oh, also, oh my gosh, my laptop is so dusty. Please ignore that. But I'm watching this movie. I think it came out recently, but I've been seeing a lot about it, so I started it, and 30 minutes in, I've already cried. But it's really good so far. It's on Netflix. I finished Anusha's gift. I might decorate it a little bit more, but this is kind of where I'm leaving it for now. I have my little card, and then I put some gems on here. I think it looks so cute. I love it. I'm so excited. Going to Anusha's birthday. We have to go get some things. I need club soda so I can have my little cocktails.